Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Taurine Jailbreak, updated. I will focus on legal considerations, device backup, security risks, and safe alternatives rather than step-by-step methods. You will learn how to assess whether jailbreaking is right for you, how to protect your data, and how to find reputable resources without compromising safety. I will also explain common myths and potential long-term impacts on warranties and updates. Jailbreaking can void warranties and may violate terms of service, exposing you to legal or support denial. Security vulnerabilities are common, increasing risk of malware, data theft, and unstable system performance. Consider safer alternatives like using official developer modes, virtualization, or jailbreaking only on secondary devices after thorough research. Always back up fully, understand potential bricking scenarios, and seek community reports on device-specific outcomes before any action. Before considering jailbreak, evaluate why you need it and whether an official feature or app can fulfill that need. Back up to encrypted storage, keep separate device copies, and record firmware versions. Research active developer communities, check tool reputations, change logs, and reported bricking instances for your specific model. Consider using spare hardware and isolate any jailbroken device from sensitive accounts or payment information. If unsure, consult
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.